Hey guys, welcome back to Cess Project. It's been a minute, I know, almost 3 months, but this video is pretty special. We got this huge white oak, well it's not really huge, but this white oak dining room table, Japanese inspired of course. Most of this table was inspired by Ishitani furniture. I'm sure that you guys know of Ishitani. If you don't, you're gonna have to. But this video is about the building process of this table. It doesn't go in as much of a detail as some of my videos, but I just kind of wanted to get this thing built, and setting up the camera, setting up the shots takes forever. So I just kind of wanted to speed up a little. I mean, I still got, enough for you guys to maybe learn something from or get inspired from. So anyway, let's jump right into the video. Enjoy, guys. This project starts out, of course, with all of my dimensions. I pull these dimensions off of SketchUp. I have a 3D model of this table, and if you guys want me to, I might put it in the description for you guys to check out. Let me know in the comments. This table was actually pretty straightforward. There's not much that goes into it. It was just dealing with this white oak was a huge pain. When I'm dealing with white oak in small projects, I love it. But when it comes to huge pieces, it doesn't want to plane. It's just crazy. Maybe it was just this white oak that I had, but it was a nightmare. I had to buy like 3 different sanders to sand this stuff. I couldn't hand plane it, which was extremely frustrating. But I ended up getting a great result, so overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Would I build it out of white oak again? Yeah, probably. I have actually been working on this project for about 6 months. I've taken a lot of breaks, as you can tell from my lack of uploading. I do have some plans, and I am taking a little bit of a break from woodworking. I've just got so much other things that I'm working on, some things in my house. I'm actually working on remodeling my house. I'm not quite sure yet if I'm gonna do videos on that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you want to see more remodel stuff? It's gonna have some woodworking as well, but if not, then there won't be many videos made unless it's for like a cabinet or something for the inside of my house. I'm trying to get things together in my life at the moment, so there's going to be a little bit of a break for videos, and it is what it is, but I'll try my best to, you know, record videos here and there. Hey guys, thank you so much for sticking around to the end. If you've made it this far, I really appreciated it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I didn't get a video of me actually taking it into my kitchen. You didn't really miss much. It was kind of a nightmare trying to get in here because it's super, super heavy. I might do something in the future explaining how this top goes onto the legs. I don't know why I didn't show that in the video. It's pretty simple, but it's kind of cool. So those pegs that you saw me hitting in, that's what locks the tabletop to the legs. And I had to do that so that way we could actually get it in the house, and when I eventually sell it, that's how I will move it. So just to kind of explain a little more. So I will see you guys next video. Take it easy.